Hi, first grade. It's Mrs. Baker. Know that I miss you so very dearly, and I know that you're working hard. Say an extra thank you to your parents who are very dedicated to help you with your learning. I just wanted to give you a little bright spot in your day and share a fun book with you. This book is called Pig the Tourist. It's got a little passport here. See if I can move to the right side here. There we go. Pig the Tourist. Pig was a pug, and I'm sorry to say, when he went on vacation, he caused quite dismay. What do you notice about the words in this book? You can make careful plans to ensure happy travel, but Pig would destroy them. He'd make them unravel. With behavior so bad, it is hard to describe. Uh-oh. Do you hear those rhyming words? He would dampen your trip. He would ruin the vibe. He'd break all the rules and he'd flaunt all tradition. Causing disaster was Pig's big ambition. What kind of animal is Pig? Is he really a pig? Even in places of wild celebration, he'd somehow create absolute devastation. And if he could shatter some ancient taboo, he wouldn't think twice. That appalling Yahoo! Oh no. Parties, parades, and possessions got wrecked in a blizzard of chaos and foul disrespect. His instinct antics would ruin your stay till the locals would gather and shout. Make a prediction. What would they shout? Go away! But that wouldn't stop him. He'd rock and roll till his rocking and rolling horseplay spun out of control. Oh no, this is the Queen. This is the Queen of England. Unbridled and vast was his need to offend, but every wild party must come to an end. Yes, if you treat locals with little regard, they'll come back to bite you. Uh-oh, where's he going? And bite you hard! What story does this remind you of? A text-to-text connection, where we read about some piranhas who like to eat people. These days it's different, I'm happy to say. He's learned not to ruin a whole holiday. But let us be honest, and truth I must tell. Although he might try. Oh, look at his poor. Oh. Pig does not travel well. Oh. Thanks for sharing this story with me, first grade. I hope you're doing lots of reading and lots of writing and lots of spending time and loving on your family. I love you and I miss you, first grade. Bye.